AI is rapidly spreading throughout civilization, where it has the promise of doing everything from enabling autonomous vehicles to navigate the streets to making more accurate hurricane forecasts. AI-powered personal assistants in voice-activated smart home devices perform myriad tasks from controlling our TVs and doorbells to answering trivia questions and helping us find our favorite songs. However, today we are going to talk about the AI and automotive industry. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has the potential to revolutionize the way we drive and transport goods and people. Self-driving cars, also known as autonomous vehicles, are a type of vehicle that use AI and other advanced technologies to navigate roads and highways without the need for a human driver. There are several benefits to self-driving cars. For one, they have the potential to significantly reduce the number of accidents caused by human error. This could lead to fewer deaths and injuries on the road. Self-driving cars could also improve traffic flow and reduce congestion as they are able to communicate with each other and make decisions in real time to optimize their routes and speeds. In addition, self-driving cars could also have a positive impact on the environment by reducing fuel consumption and emissions. They could also increase mobility for people who are unable to drive due to age, disability, or other factors. As mentioned before, artificial intelligence has revolutionized the automotive industry in ways that were once unimaginable. From self-driving cars to intelligent traffic systems, AI has transformed the way we travel and interact with our vehicles. With the help of machine learning algorithms, cars can now make decisions on their own, adapting to changing road conditions and traffic patterns in real time. This has not only made driving safer, but it has also made it more efficient and convenient. Here are a few ways in which artificial intelligence is used in self-driving cars. Sensing and perception. Self-driving cars use a variety of sensors such as cameras, lidar, radar, and ultrasonic sensors to gather data about their surroundings. This data is then processed and analyzed using AI algorithms to create a detailed map of the environment and to identify objects such as pedestrians, other vehicles, traffic lights, and road signs. Decision making. Self-driving cars use AI to make real-time decisions based on the data they gather from their sensors. For example, if a self-driving car detects a pedestrian crossing the road, it will use AI to determine the best course of action such as slowing down or stopping. Predictive modeling. Self-driving cars use AI to predict the behavior of other road users, such as pedestrians and other vehicles. This helps the car to anticipate potential problems and take the best action to avoid them. Natural language processing. Some self-driving cars are equipped with voice recognition technology that allows passengers to communicate with the car using natural language. This technology uses AI to understand and respond to spoken commands. Levels of autonomy in self-driving cars. Self-driving cars are generally classified according to level of automation ranging from level 0 means no automation to level 5 means fully autonomous. The level of automation are defined by the Society of Automotive Engineers and are as follows. Level 0, no automation. The driver is complete control of the vehicle at all times. Level 1, driver assistance. The vehicle has some automated functions, such as lane keeping or adopting cruise control. In this level, the driver must remain attentive and ready to take control at any time. Level 2, partial automation. The vehicle has more advanced automated functions, such as the ability to control the acceleration, braking, and steering of the vehicle. But the driver must still monitor the environment and be ready to intervene if necessary. Level 3, conditional automation. The vehicle is able to perform all driving tasks under certain conditions, but the driver must be ready to take control if the vehicle encounters in a situation that it cannot handle. Level 4. High automation. The vehicle is able to perform all driving tasks under a wide range of conditions, but the driver may still be required to take control in certain situations, such as in bad weather or in complex driving environments. And level 5. Full automation. In this level, the vehicle is able to perform all driving tasks under any conditions, and the driver is not required to take control. Real-life examples of self-driving cars and AI use companies. There are several examples of self-driving cars that are being developed or are already on the road. Waymo. Waymo is a self-driving car company that is owned by Alphabet, the parent company of Google. Waymo's autonomous cars are being tested on public roads in several cities in the United States, including Phoenix, Arizona, and Detroit, Michigan. Tesla. Tesla is one of the most well-known companies using AI in their vehicles. Their cars use a variety of sensors and cameras to collect data about their surroundings, and use AI algorithms to provide advanced driver assistance features and to enable autonomous driving capabilities. Tesla Autopilot is a semi-autonomous driving system that is available on certain Tesla models. While it is not fully self-driving, it allows the car to handle some driving tasks such as lane keeping and lane changing with minimal input from the driver. Audi is using AI to enhance the driving experience in their cars with features like predictive maintenance, personalized infotainment, and voice-activated control. BMW is using AI to improve the efficiency of their electric and hybrid vehicles with features like predictive energy management and personalized driving behavior analysis. Mercedes-Benz is using AI to provide advanced driver assistance features including adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning, as well as personalized infotainment and navigation options. As we see, AI is overcoming to automotive industry. In next video, we will show what components are making cars to become as an AI devices. What do you think about the next level of AI in automotive industry? Write in comments and don't forget to like and subscribe us. Thanks for watching us.